Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I have the Ipsy PR that was sent to me. So excited to open these up and see what I got. If you guys want to know what I got in my Ipsy PR for the month of January, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so as you guys know, I am on the Ipsy PR list. I used to do unboxings of the paid Ipsy that I had, but it's just, honestly, for the new year, I'm all about like decluttering. I have so much makeup, so much skincare, so much fragrances, so much of everything that it really lately has become very overwhelming for me. So I'm gonna be doing like a huge declutter. I have a lot of stuff and I just don't want to have unnecessary stuff if I don't need it. So since I get the Ipsy PR, I used to do Ipsy PR versus Ipsy paid, but I'm just gonna do the PR now because, like I said, I have too much stuff. I actually unsubscribed from a lot of subscriptions, and I didn't unsubscribe to the paid because I don't like Ipsy stuff. It's just because, like I said, just for that one solid reason. Like I have too much stuff. And I don't want to be wasteful. I give a lot of stuff away, but it's just so much stuff. And then I would get duplicates of stuff from like the PR and the paid. So I'm just going to be showing you guys the PR version. I hope that's okay with you guys. It's just 2022. I am going to be clutter-free this year. So let's see how that goes, because I am a makeup junkie and I do like buying stuff. But like I'm just trying not to have so much unnecessary stuff. Every single month I have a lot of subscription boxes, so I'll have like 3-4 mascaras, 3-4 new moisturizers, 3-4 new toners. It's just like I only have one face and I don't think I'll ever be able to use all the makeup I have in a lifetime, so I'm trying to cut down where I can. So hopefully you guys can understand that. But anyway, we're gonna get into my unbagging. So this was a card that was in the box. And it says, Happy Vibes, January 2022. This month and year, make time for things that make you smile. Makeup. You guys know me already. If you subscribe to my channel, you guys know makeup. And crystals makes a girl smile. So, and this is makeup. So, definitely going to smile doing my unboxing for you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on my channel. From like makeup hauls, makeup subscription boxes, makeup advent calendars, makeup mystery boxes, makeup, anything makeup related you're gonna get on this channel. So if you like makeup, just like me, I would say like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel and become a part of my YouTube family. Alrighty, so these are the two bags that I received. This is the Ipsy Glam bag. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. What I do like about the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is you get to pick 3 choices from this, and the Ipsy Glam Bag you get to pick 1 choice. So this is a monthly subscription box. I like it because you get majority, for the most part, makeup you're supposed to get, but they do throw in sometimes some skincare and hair products as well. So we'll start off with the Ipsy Glam Bag. Now when you do get your PR, everything is pretty much just thrown in a box. You don't know like what was it's supposed to be in here and what was in here. But I just do like an overall talk about like the things that I got. So let's see. So the bag is cute. I'm loving like the tie-dye type of vibes going on here, which goes in theme with that whole hippie look. So the first thing I got in here is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. And I actually really do like this. My skin is always dry. Everything is dry. My scalp is dry, my hair is dry, everything. My hands are dry, my whole body is dry. I can never have enough moisturizer. So I like using this. My skin still feels a little dry after using it, but it still is a very hydrating cream. So that's the first thing I got. I'm very happy about this because I actually do use this. I've received this a lot in Ipsy though. For like every couple of months they give this, but like I said, I ain't mad because my skin is dry and their stuff has no scent. Dermatology tested, fragrance free, so loves it. The next thing I got is Grace and Stella Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I'm not gonna use this because I have way too much skincare and you could only use one serum per month. Like, you should be using one serum per month, one moisturizer per month. You shouldn't be using 3-4 different serums, 3-4 different moisturizers in a month because you're not gonna really know what's working or not. So I'm gonna put this in like my basket of giveaways for when I do my next giveaway. The next thing I got is a Dew Tube Hydrating Lip Gloss. So let's see what this looks like. Ooh, this is beautiful. Look at this, guys. This gloss is beautiful. I am here for this gloss. This is definitely an Aisha color, so happy for that. The next thing I got is the Pore Professional Light Primer. This is a fairly new item that just launched with Benefit. I actually do own the full size. I do not like it. I feel like, just in general, the Benefit primers just ball up, they peel up. Like, I've never really, my skin has never agreed with their primers, so I'll be adding this to my basket of giveaways for my next giveaway. The next thing I have in here is a Ditto mascara. I've never heard of the brand Ditto. It's this Extra Scope Volume Mascara by the brand Ditto, like I said. I'm gonna keep this because you can never have too much mascara. And this was the card, but they don't really tell you like prices and stuff when you get the card. Alright, this is a bigger bag. So not to say that any of this stuff would not be in here or here. Like I said, I don't know what was supposed to be in what. The next thing I got is a Cella Dual Liquid Eyeliner in Pearl. Well, it looks like it's two, is it two liners in here? Oh, it's just a double-ended. So it looks like one color is blue and the other is black. So if you can see on the top right here, and it's two-sided. So that's interesting. You can never have too much eyeliner. The next thing I got is a Hewley face sheet mask. I've never heard of this brand before. Let's see, hold on. Discover and Strong Vitality. That's what it says on this bottom part down here, but we got 3 masks. I love sheet mask and face mask. I love on my days off doing like self-care, burning my candles, you know, doing some face masks, feet masks, hand masks, like, you know, just relaxing. So definitely gonna get some good use out of that. The next thing I got is a Kimchi Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray. I heard this is really good. I have not obviously tried it, but I heard it's good, so I'm excited to try this because I'm always looking for the perfect setting spray, so I definitely will be trying this out. The next thing I got in here is it says Cranberry Sugar Face Scrub by Girl Talk. I've had some makeup from Girl Talk, but I didn't know they had skincare products. A face scrub I would keep. Oh, I love that it's like a seal on top of a seal. Face scrubs I keep because, like, you know, I do that every other couple of days. This is hard to open though. I'm trying to open this up. Hold on. Okay, I can't open this up. Like, I have no clue how to open this up. I cannot open this up. So they got it sealed. Sealed. Let me try with the scissors. Hold on. Finally got it open. Ooh, this smells good. Ooh, this smells like candy. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Look at it. You want to just lick it. Nope. Smells delicious. Wow. Cranberry Sugar Face Scrub. I'm using this tonight. I'm super excited to try this. Actually, Actually, do I need this lid on it though? Actually, I don't think I need the lid for it. I'm not gonna keep the lid on this because it's gonna be probably hard to take it off again. Very excited for that. That was nice. And I got a brush by Hip Dot. Looks like it's a concealer brush, or sometimes I use this for like under my brow when I do a highlighter. And that is it, guys. That's all she wrote. That was all that was in my PR box. As always, I'm always grateful for getting PR from Ipsy. Thank you, Ipsy, for putting me on the PR list. As always, you guys know that like just because I get PR from a brand does not mean I'm gonna say I love it if I don't love it. I'm always gonna give like my honest opinion, and you guys will always continue to get that from me. If I don't like it, I don't like it. Like, everybody's entitled to their opinion. So, but I do like, for the most part, everything that I got. The only thing that I don't think I would use is just the serum, and I want to say really that's about it. Everything else I would use. Makeup I would use, and it's pretty much the majority of this was all makeup. I think the only thing that wasn't makeup was these 3 things here, which was not too bad. But the mask I never really count as skincare. This is like more for body, and I love this. I love First Aid Beauty stuff. The only thing I'm going to be not using is this. So I think it was a win-win for me. Let me know down in the comment below if you guys are subscribed to Ipsy, Glam Bag, or Plus. Let me know if you guys like the products you've been receiving. Let me know your thoughts on my bag that I received for this month. That's really about it, guys. I'm done with the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, just want to say again, just like, comment, and subscribe. Show your girl some love. You know it's greatly appreciated, and I appreciate everyone who's been following me recently. You guys are the best. I have the best subscribers ever. And that's really about it. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.